was waiting all alone to show that nothing had gone wrong. Forgiveness isn't what we do, it is the light that passes through. When walls dissolve, when hearts allow the present moment here and now. No one to fault, no one to free, for all I gave was given to me. The same small wound in different guise now shines as grace behind my eyes. It isn't pardon, isn't plea, it's seeing clear simplicity. That pain is loving, it's disguised. The truth was mercy deeply wise. No, all I held begins to glow. The hurt I feared becomes the flow. The story ends, the silence stays, and every shadow joins the race. There's nothing left to make or prove, only this life that cannot move. Forgiveness shines and all is bright. The self dissolves into the light. Awareness remains.